In a world where remote work is the new norm, seizing financial opportunities from home is paramount. The economy evolves swiftly, demanding innovative solutions to meet life's challenges head-on. Picture a system empowering you to profit from today's financial landscape without stepping out. Imagine gaining real-time market insights delivered straight to your device. With Auvoria Prime, combine expert analysis, user-friendly tech, and personalized coaching to forge your financial future. Countless have unlocked their success. It's your turn now. Reach out to learn how Auvoria Prime can shape your legacy.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to November's monthly insider call for Kraitos and KraitosX. My name is Dominik and I will take you through different accounts. We will look at the different settings so we can see, or you can see, what you can make better with Kraitos Elite and KraitosX and how you can optimize it for your trading. So if you have any questions, please write them in the chat, also in Q&A. I'm going to be more than happy to answer all of your questions. But let's go to business and let's go look at the different settings and what I changed. Okay. So first of all, we're going to look at Elite. Right now, a lot of people are using Elite, so this is like really good. I also got like some concerns regarding Elite and the way the hedges work. So I'm gonna tell you right now that we are also working on optimizing the hedge engine, and we are close to releasing it also to the public. We don't have any dates yet. We are still backtesting. We're still optimizing, but as look how it looks now, it works much better. Especially with the re-entering of hedges and so on. We put like a lot of thought into it, and I think that you're going to be really happy once we release the update. But what I want to show you, it's like what I'm doing with my settings. A lot of people are turning off the hedging engine on Kraitos Elite. What is also good, you can also do that. But I will explain to you what I'm doing and why I'm doing it this way. So first of all, let's jump into the settings, the position size. I wouldn't recommend any of you to go under 0.01 per 2000. My personal opinion is that it's the best, medium, it's 0.01 per 3000. Then what I'm doing, I'm trading actually 4 pairs at the same time. I have AUD CAD, NZD CAD, GBP USD, AUD USD, Euro USD, NZD USD, and USD CAD. So the standard pairs. Spread filter, it's set to 3. Entry choice, I like Kraitos Elite entry. Some people want like more trades, then you can switch it to smart money. But me personally, I prefer Kraitos Elite entry because it needs more confirmation to entering the trades. Minimum required distance between trades and pips, I'm keeping at 70. Decision units in pips, I'm keeping at 40. Correlation filter, cross-directional allowed. If you're somebody that is, I don't know, more aggressive, you can set the correlation filter to false, and then you're gonna get more trades. So here, trading pause, I didn't change it on this account, but on all the accounts, I'm running it from 23, 30. So that means like when it's the market rollover, 30 minutes before it starts, Kratos pauses. So what it means that it pauses, it's not gonna put in new trades, it's not gonna put trailing stop losses and so on. So it's just gonna be paused, okay? The trades are still gonna be open, just it's not gonna do anything. And then I have it here till 0, 30. So like 1 hour that is because the spreads widen and so on. So I don't want like getting like a trailing stop loss because of the spread. The spread gets big, then it puts in a trailing stop loss, and so on. So I just have it set as you see here. Quantum zone strategy, I have it set to false on elite. Quantum zone strategy dynamic lot size also to false. Close upon opposite direction upon cross instructional levels. Also have it set to false. We are also working on a new smart money indicator that it's like much better than what we are using now. So we are always optimizing, getting everything better for you guys. Initial trade take profit, it's set to 30. Trailing stop loss, it's true. Then I have it set here also 10, that it trails by 10 pips. And then managing trades, take profit, I also have it set to 30, true, and to 10. Okay. So now we are coming to the next part. We are coming to the hedge trades, and I will explain to you in a bit why I have it set up, like how I have it set up. So if you don't want hedge trades, you can turn them on. Turn them off, you can have it to false. So Kratos Elite, it's way better to predicting the trend than Kratos is. But if you have the how you say the hedge trades off, then you can have a little bit bigger drawdown. And on the other hand, you will not make any profits when the market goes against you. Okay, so this is up to you. What I discovered, or like better yet, like discovered, observing the market, it's what I did. It's I actually put the hedge trades to true, and then I have it here pips in drawdown for the hedge entry. I have it set to 15. So that means that the initial trade, managing trade, whichever trade, has to be 15 pips in negative before it opens up a trade. So once the trade is open, when the protect hedge with a stop loss to trigger, when the hedge trade it's 10 pips in profit, I will start trailing it with 5 pips. Okay. So that gives me like 5 pips. If it goes like more, I'm gonna take more profit. So here you can even put it like to 15, private swap pips offset. You can leave it at 5, and then it's gonna trail with 10. Okay, like whatever you like. So this is like some numbers that I'm like playing around with. So 15, 5, then you're gonna secure actually 5 pips, and every pip that is gonna go, you're gonna secure 1 pip more. And I'm gonna show you why I'm doing that. Use trail on the hedge trade. I set it to true. Pips in positive before opening up a hedge. I have it set to 0. And close hedges when X many hedges are in profits, it's 5. Okay. So right now, what most people are like confused with it, it's like once the hedge gets closed, and then like the market is starting to go into our favor on the initial sequence, as soon as it comes like 15 pips away, like from the first initial enter or the managing trade, it's gonna reopen up the hedge. Okay. I don't like that neither. So we figured actually out how we can do it with different indicators and so on. That like once Kratos sees that the market is going our direction, it's not gonna reopen up the hedges. So this is gonna come in the new update. It's already making like a big difference, and I really think that you're gonna be happy. But for now, why I have it like this, I will show it to you. Okay. So let's open up here NZD cat. We have like some trailing stop losses and open chart. Okay. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's go H1 and do the screen smaller so you're gonna understand. Okay. Okay, we can maybe change this color so you can see it better. Properties. To colors. Color on white. Show. Where is the grid? We don't need a grid. Okay. So now as you can see, okay, let's go here. Minus. So you can see here the first trade. It's like what happened is that like we took a buy all the way up here. So I think this is the initial trade. Let me see. NZD cat, columns, comment. Okay, NZD cat. Okay, so you can see this is the initial trade. So the initial trade, it's all the way up here. And then we went into drawdown, it opened up a hedge. Okay, hedge sell. What it's amazing. And then you can see the market went down, 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 down. It opened up a managing trade. You see here, it didn't open up a hedge, or better yet, it took out a hedge already. But as you can see right now, we have here another hedge, and this hedge is now protected with a stop loss, as you can see. And once the stop loss gets hit, we're gonna take a profit of $20. And also here you can see NZD cat, it's $9. So altogether, we're gonna take a profit of $30. And this is like what I want to tell you. It's like better to take profits down the way than not taking profits whatsoever, because your balance is gonna grow. So this is like really good because your balance is growing. That means if your balance is growing, that your drawdown is getting lower, no matter if the market is going against us. All of us know that Kratos, it's really good once it like finds the conditions and it like goes our direction. So then what is gonna happen? Like, okay, so this trade is gonna open up, like reopen up a hedge. But it doesn't matter because in the way the market is gonna go like here towards us, and then these positions are gonna be in big plus, so you're just gonna close it out, but you made also money on the hedges. But if you don't want that, you can just turn off the hedges and that's it. But like now in the new version, it's gonna be like automatically, so it's not gonna reopen up the hedges. So this is why I'm like actually doing that to get like more profits with the hedges. But if you don't like that, what you can do, you can just here go and turn off hedges, but I have it put to true, and as for now, it's working really nice. Then max allowed lot size, I have it my balance divided by 40,000. So I divided my balance by 40,000. Right now here it's 5, so it's 0.1, the max allowed lot size. Relaxing after X many trades, I have it set to 5. Chill out when percentage of drawdown it's reached, it's 10. Equity protector is set at 25. And keep trading after equity protector it's reached, it's false, because I want to restart the whole thing if the equity protector would get triggered. Okay. So this is also important. You can have it set to false, to true. Keep trading after equity to true, and then you're just gonna start reopening up trades. But I don't personally like that. This is why I have it this way. Okay, so this is for Kraitos. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. Now we are coming into KraitosX. Here it's like one really important thing for all of you to know, and this is also regarding the hedge trades. So here I'm also running the position size 0.01 per 2000.
Trade confidently with Kraitos, your AI trading partner. Let Kraitos handle the markets while you focus on what matters most.
That means that the biggest lot size, the starting lot size is gonna get open 0.02. Why I have it like that, that it opens up 0.02, so it like hedges. Normally that the hedge rate is gonna be 0.1. Spread filter in pips, 20. Entry choice, smart money only. Minimum required distance between trades. I'm still keeping it at 1,800 and 1,300 decision units. I have it set here at 23, 30, and also here 0.30. Smart money concepts, I have the quantum zone on. I still like the quantum zone at Kraitos X, because sometimes it's maybe better to have it without the quantum zone. Like it's really hard to tell you like exactly like what to do, because the market on gold is like now really like volatile, and you can see if we look like the last, we go here to H4, so we can see that like the market it's like on the up really. So maybe it would be better to have it like without the quantum zone, but as you can see from here to here, it made like six 69,000 points. So that means like 7,000 pips it already went against us. So we are also working on a lot of enhancements for KraitosX. so we don't get like into these long trends. It's also starting to look way better in the back tests, and we are like still working on it. Hedge trades, I have it set here to true, and pips in drawdown for the hedge trades, it's 150. Protect hedge with a stop loss, it's 800, and then protect hedge with a stop loss pips offset, I have it minus 75. Okay, so why I have it minus 75? It's for one reason. So let's say, okay, let's see. Okay, so I don't know why did it like this. So like I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna put it here in minus 75. So minus 75, it's right here in the middle. Okay, in the middle. So why do we have it like this? It's one reason. Yes, you're gonna do a negative trade, like a little bit of minus, but what it can happen? It can happen to you if you have, let's say, your stop loss set into positive. Okay, if you have it here, like I don't know, 20 pips in profit. Okay, what can happen? It can happen that the market comes down here and it takes out your stop loss and your hedge trade. Okay, and then the market doesn't go more down, so it would reopen your trade. So what happens if the market just goes from here? Your trade it's not protected anymore. But on the other hand, if you have the stop loss, how you see it, that we have it here, it's what? If the market goes down, okay, it's gonna take out your stop loss. You're gonna do a little bit of a minus. But then if the market goes up, it's gonna reopen up the hedge again. But if the market continues to go down, okay, it's not gonna open up a stop loss, and then you're gonna make even more profit, and you're gonna make more profit on the way down. So you're gonna be in positive. But sometimes you're gonna do negative. But this is really important for you to be protected at all times at gold, especially at gold, because it's like really volatile. And we saw that this is like working really nice. Then here, pips in positive before opening up a hedge, I have it also set to 0. And I don't use the trail on the hedge for gold. Why not? Just because of this reason that I told you right now, because I don't want to be without hedges on gold. I always want to have a hedge on gold trades. Okay. Close hedge when X many hedges are in positive. I have it set to 10. Why to 10? Because I don't want like if it opens up like 6 managing trades, it opens up the 6 managing trade and a hedge, and then it closes all 5 hedges before I make a lot of profit. But then what if market continues like also goes on a rally? So I have it set to 10 and I never touch it. Then here risk management, max allowed lot size. I have it here by balance divided with 60,000. Relaxing after X many trades, 5 trades. Chill out when percentage is reached 10%. I have it set here to 25. If you don't want to risk 25%, you can set it to less, but I have it set to 25. So here it's like up to you how much you're willing to risk. Okay. But if you're gonna put like 10%, then you cannot run like 0.01 per 2000, but you have to put at least like 0.01 per 5K or even more. Okay. Keep trading after equity protector it's reached. I have it set to false. And MT5 notification, I have it set at 5. So this is like the settings that I'm running for now. I'm not gonna be changing it. As I said, like we are working on like a lot of enhancements. So you're gonna get even a better experience. You're gonna get better results. You're gonna get more profits and so on. Because I always tell you, like we always want to give you like the best products. And yeah, so you make profit because we all want to make profit. Okay, I'm not like I'm also like how would I say making this software better for myself because I want to make profit and I also want to give you like the best software that you can possibly get. And also this is like our mission. And I always say this is the worst version that you will ever use because we will be always working to bring you a better and better version. Maybe I can show you a little bit like what we are trying to implement, what we are working on. Okay, so you can see it here. So as you can see here, we are working on like a really sophisticated smart money indicator that it's actually reading change of character when the market structure is broken, where lower lows, where lower highs, where like mitigating blocks, where there's support and resistance and so on, where it's like the monthly high. So it's gonna like read the monthly high, daily high, weekly high. So then like a lot of things to like even follow the trend, like when to take trades, when not to take trades, like when to be like on a pause. So like as you can see, like one really important thing is that like we don't take trades when the market, we say that the market it's flat. So you can like see here, when the market it's flat, that means like you see this is like where the market it's flat. So when the market it's flat, we don't want to take trades because it can get us like in the wrong trades. But then like when to start taking trades, it's actually when the market starts going into the trend. So we are like working with different indicators that they're like predicting the trend and so on. Then also like moving averages. You can also here see like break of structure, wait for the break of structure, change of character, and so on. And this is not going to be like implemented only on KraitosX. It's also going to be implemented on Kraitos Elite. So you can see here, this is like a chart for GBP USD, how we can like then avoid like the lows, how when to start like trailing and when to start getting into trades. So this is like all that like we're working in the background for you guys, so you guys can have like a better software and that you always can like sleep good. So we're still testing everything out, how it works in like all together. So you can see here, like let's say here you see like once we're gonna get like higher highs and we're gonna stop taking like the buys, but we're gonna go into the sales. Then when we're gonna see that there is like a lower low, a previous month low, then we're gonna start like taking, and if the changes we're gonna like stop trading into that direction and so on. So this is like all implemented. Now we're just like tidying it like all together, so that you guys can get like really the best experience. And I think like once we release the updates, you guys gonna be like really happy when you see like how it trades, because even now I'm like testing it without like the enhancement in the smart money indicator. It's like already showing amazing results. But yeah, it's close to be released. I cannot give you like any dates yet, but what I can show you, it's like actually, where do I have it? Kratos, here. Okay, so let's see here in GBP USD. You are not gonna be able to show you, but now Kratos is gonna be able to do initial trades into sell direction, into buy direction, then all is gonna have hedges. So it's gonna be like a really sophisticated machine where you're gonna see like a lot of trades, and it's gonna be like really hard for you like actually to follow everything, because it's even hard for me to follow once like there's like a lot of trades open, because Kratos is just amazing how we did it. But yeah, a lot of things are getting better. A lot of things is getting implemented. If you have any questions, please write them in the chat. If there's like no questions, you need any help, always can reach out to support@auvoriaprime.com. But yeah, be careful. Today is the US election, so my personal suggestion to you is put Kratos max numbers of trades, pairs to trade, put it to 0. So if it closes out, doesn't open up new trades, it's going to manage the open ones, because it's today and then tomorrow is the election. So me personally, I'm staying out of the market till next week, till Monday, to see if like the win or the loss of like any candidate was already like factored in. So it's gonna be like, I think it's gonna be a volatile market. Maybe it's gonna be a volatile market. Maybe nothing's gonna happen. But anyway, like be careful, because you never know. Like in the market can jump like few thousand pips, just because of one candidate wins or one candidate losses. So be careful. Put your risk to minimum. And yeah, talk to you next month. And I wish you a great trading month. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.